Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Dr. Mulberry. Alright, so today's video is all about one of my crush. It's not like a human crush, it's a shampoo crush. Okay, so actually I was just scrolling through my newsfeed one day and then suddenly advertisement from Dove shampoo came up, and here I saw these things and I find it out so fascinating that I ended up ordering it, though it was not available at the Dove website, but I got it from Purple and Amazon, I guess. So these are the three products which I was talking about. This is the shampoo, this is the conditioner, and this is the hair mask. And this one is the Dove's new launch, that is healthy ritual for strengthening hair. Sorry, I am so bad at remembering names, so that every time I have to look at this and see. And it is said that it is inspired by the rituals of nomadic women. Sorry, Nordic woman. It is inspired by Nordic woman, rituals of Nordic woman, and it claims to have oat milk and honey, which I don't believe actually. So basically, I don't have to do anything with the ingredients. I just want a product which will give me a smooth and shiny hair and also reduce my hair falls. That is the definition of healthy hair for me. I don't want anything else. And there is no and. Let's go and let's jump into the video. So at first I opened my hair and wet with water. I generally stand under a shower, but for the video I did not open the shower or switched on the shower. I just used a mug filled with water. It is very important to, completely wet your hair. After that, you can see I have applied a lot of shampoo, and I think with two wash, okay, it smells heavenly first of all. Okay, now after removing the water, I am using this hair mask. I think mask should be used. Okay, this smells very chemical. Okay, mask should be used in the scalp, so I'm just applying on the scalp, and the bacha bucha portion I'm using on my hair. This mask smells very bad. Okay, very chemical kind of smell, but the shampoo smells amazing till now. Let's keep it for 5 minutes and then wash it off. Okay, so I have washed it off, and now comes the time for the conditioner. Let's see. This is the conditioner, as you can see, and I have a tendency to smell everything. Don't mind that. Okay, so it smells heavenly, just like the shampoo. Both of them smells very good. I like the smell. Always spread the conditioner inside your fingers and then run your fingers through the hair. Don't apply it on the scalp, never. I cannot just stop smelling it. Even for now that I am good doing a voiceover of this, I cannot help but smell my hair a lot. Okay, so for the towel, as you can see, I use a cotton towel because it is very good for your hair. And let's do the complete makeover now. So as you can see, this is my hair right now, but honestly I had to apply a serum. And this is my Silk and Shine serum. I always use this thing. I don't know, but I don't like the Matrix Biology or any other serum. I don't know, this serum works so fine for my hair, and I'm not reviewing this product today. I am reviewing the Dove. Anyways, so as soon as I have completely air dried my hair, and then I felt it was still a little frizzy. All my, this is my end, as you can see. So I have a lot of split ends, so all the split ends were like accentuated. It was very dry at that time, but it was very bouncy. My hair felt very bouncy. So those who like bouncy hair, they can definitely go for this. And it smells heavenly, like it smells so good. Both the shampoo and the conditioner smells heavenly. But if I talk about the mask, then it smells very chemically. So I was like in a dilemma to use it in my scalp or not. I was not sure about that, but then anyways I used it because I was doing a review for you guys. So anyways, you can just choose this shampoo. It smells heavenly. If you want a hair which smells heavenly and it is bouncy, then you can totally use this. But for dry hair people like me, you will just need this kind of. So this was the review for this range of Dove. I hope you like it. If you like it, then please give a thumbs up, and if you don't like it, please comment down. If you like it also, please comment down. And I have a lot of products right now which I recently purchased in the Diwali sale. If you guys want a review on these things, please do comment. If you want it, I will give it in shorts, in longs. I don't know what you call these videos right now nowadays. So anyways, this was the review. My hair feels amazing. It is very lightweight actually, okay, but since I have used this serum, so that is why you can see there is a lot more shine. But honestly, there was no such shine when I used this product. It was very bouncy, it was very soft, but the shine was not totally present there. So this is the review. Let's meet you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I wish you a very happy Diwali in advance. Also note that my scalp is very moisturized at this point, because in winter what happens, you tend to have very dry and itchy scalp. But with the application of the mask, I think my scalp is very moisturized at this moment. And yeah, so this is the plus point.